Look at these funny little Weeble wobbles I have of Skye and Chase. Just like gumballs, so I brought them some gumballs. Where are we gonna put them all? We need a gumball machine. Yeah, let's make a gumball machine. Okay, we can do that. We can make a gumball machine. What do you think about making it out of? Play-Doh! Let's make it out of Play-Doh. All right, let's go ahead and make it out of Play-Doh. Let's get started. I got some Play-Doh here with me. White to brown and red. Also brought pink and blue to match Skye and Chase. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with red. We're gonna want all of this Play-Doh. Let's move these gumballs out of the way for now. Okay. Whoop. There's all of our red Play-Doh. So we're gonna kind of mush this all together. Let's roll it up a little bit. Push it down. Roll it out real nice. We want this to be the base of our gumball machine. Okay. Now let's add some more colors. I got some more red right here to use. I want to roll it a little much. We're going to roll this out really good because we want to put it on the bottom and on the top. Goodbye, gumballs! Now let's wrap this around and smooth it in. So we're just going to smooth this bottom part up into the main part. And then we also want to do it on the top. There. Look, we have our little bottom part of our gumball machine now. Now we gotta make a nice round ball to put on top. So we're gonna get all of our white Play-Doh out. There we go. Got all of our white Play-Doh out. We're just gonna roll it into a big ball. Look at that. Look at that nice ball for our gumball machine. And I left this red part so we can add the top of the gumball machine. Roll it up in a ball and let's flatten it out a little bit. To go on top. Smooth out those little things. So we add this round little ball on top. Look at our cute little gumball machine so far. Then we're gonna get some brown Play-Doh. We're gonna flatten it out really good. And let's cut it in a little square. Or a rectangle, more like it. We're gonna cut a little dash in it. This is where you put your quarters. Let's make it a little smaller. Let's get that out of there. Make this nice little quarter slot. Nice. Let's make a little opening where the gumballs come out. Look at that! Look how that turned out. Cute little gumball machine. Now all we need to do is put some gumballs in it. We're gonna open up the top, put a little hole in there, and put some gumballs in. Look at all those gumballs in there. We have a couple coming out already. Oh, look at our cute gumball machine. Good job, Paw Patrol. We love it. We can hold all of our gumballs now. Yes, you can. Okay, bye, gumball machine.